Good morning to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olonolowu Ayinde, one of the economic developer within the Kringle community. Happy New Year to us all. Yes, don't forget Monday is always a wonderful day that every one of us we are busy, especially prospecting and bringing people into the community, sharing the love and sharing the gifts to humanity. Don't forget today go all out with every sense of responsibility, every confidence, and everything in you that you can show to humanity that yes, indeed, you have come to save humanity from the shackles of the powers that be that held the world bound. So, guys, today I urge every one of you just try to do everything within your power to ensure that yes, we save humanity by sharing the gifts and everything that we can do. Don't forget today by 2 p.m. we'll be having the broadcasters meeting. Come on board, come and learn how to broadcast and every other thing on act of prosperity too. Also by 3 p.m. we'll be having our weekly meeting. Yes, weekly meeting. That's a global meeting where we share and a lot of discussions on what is going on within the community and especially the updates on the blog. And by 4 p.m. we'll be having our mass adoption training. That is a training that has never been the same since we started it. It's a wonderful time, a time that you need to meet one on one with yours truly, the TBC administrator. So come on board. Don't forget, TBC is our birthright. Let's showcase what we have to the world and let us, with full force, bring the digital period to a close. And that cannot be except by our collective efforts. I love you guys, so come on board. Don't forget the meetings that we're having for today. So, see you then. Thank you. I want you to like this broadcast, share, and subscribe to me. Thank you all. Love you.